Welcome to Connect. We're here with TCC's Director of the Regional Automotive Center, Beno, Rubin. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. So tell me about the center.
So our center, we've been open for 10 years. We're home to 4 major programs: automotive, collision, diesel, and marine technology. And the goal of these programs is to prepare students to enter the fields in these repair industries.
So who is like your target student?
Well, our target student is really, it's a wide range. It's from 17, we go all the way from 17-year-olds all the way up to 50, 55-year-olds. We have students who are just coming out of high school, a traditional college student, and then we also have military members who are transitioning out, looking to apply what they've learned in the military into a career in a related industry. And then we have people who transition from going to a 4-year, realize they want to follow their passion, and that's typically what we're aiming after.
How much do they need to know about the industry before they come to you? Can they be a super rookie, or do they need to be a veteran?
It really, yeah, they could be very green, what we call it green, new to the industry, or they can come with experience. We start them at all different levels.
What makes your programs unique and such an impact for the students?
Well, the biggest thing is that our programs are supported by corporations and local industry. So in the case of automotive, we have 5 brands, Toyota, Chrysler, Honda, Ford, and Subaru, who's just coming on board with us. We are training those technicians to work at their franchise stores, and then all the local franchise dealers hire these students. Well,
so these big corporations need people to fill those jobs. They call you guys, and you guys build programs around that?
It's a combination. It's a working partnership between the corporation that oversees the franchisees, the local franchise with local businesses, and then us as the academic institution. We work together to build the program what they want, and then the local businesses are the ones that benefit, because those students will then wind up working for them to fill that labor gap.
What should a student expect being in the program?
Well, as far as from a training standpoint, they're going to learn on industry standards, and I know that's a very cliche thing to say, but because we have that support, they are working on what's currently in industry. We're using the production methods. They're also going to get their industry certifications, whether it's with a vehicle manufacturer or an engine company like Volvo Penta, or ICAR certification for collision repair. The most important thing, though, is before they can graduate, they actually have to go out and work in industry through a co-op experience. But because we have all the support for those businesses, they are looking to hire those students for those co-op opportunities, so they can actually start their career while they're in school prior to graduation.
So how long should a student expect to be in one of these programs?
Well, the maximum amount of time is 2 years for their associate's degree. When they graduate, they are a technician. They can continue from their co-op experience to become a full technician, and from there their salaries will increase in a short amount of time depending on their skill level and the credentials they earn past that point.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Watch Connect, Sunday mornings at 9 on 13 News Now.